So I just got done sanding with the machines. Now I have to do it by hand. So when I hand sand that, see, that's nice and rounded. Because this doesn't cut like this does. This stuff cuts pretty easy. After I get done sanding it by hand, get it as smooth as possible, then I'm going to have to go around and touch up some areas. That need a little TLC. Oh, there's still some more machine sanding I haven't done yet. There is too. That's a couple minutes. It's getting hot in here though. I'm sweating. See the sweat? See, there's areas I'll have to touch up with more fairing compound. It's a little devoid. Or voids. But for 2 days of sanding, this is all going to have to be done by hand now with a block. Oh, see if I can get the machine in there. So, it's going slow, but it's moving. This week, Marcelino and I are going to finish up the fiberglass on the interior. He's getting sprinklers running in town today on a few of the rental houses. And I'm sanding. That's what's going on here, fellas.